is a modifier. Don't get confused. They confuse with the three keywords. One is finalize. Finalize is used for garbage collection. Final is used for different purpose. We get one more keyword, finally. It is used for different purpose. When we go to the concept, we'll discuss about it. So now, final is used for declaring constants. Okay. If you remember in your C language, you use the keyword const. C language, you use a keyword const to declare a constant. Here we use final keyword. So final keyword is used for declaring constants. So first one is int a equal to 10. So now this is a modifier. Final is a keyword. Everything is small. What is that we said? Whenever these modifiers are used with anyone, they modify the properties. So now whenever I put a final keyword, the property of this one is changed. If this keyword is not there, it is a variable. If I put this keyword, this becomes a constant. Now if I say a plus plus, I get an error because I cannot modify a constant. If this is not there, this is valid. If I put a keyword final, this is not valid, it is an error. So that is modifiers. They change the property. If I put a final keyword, I cannot modify the value of a. Final keyword is used for declaring the constants in your program. Okay, but there are different usages of final keyword. Usages of final keyword. First one, to declare, very, very important, to declare constants in the program. So that's what we have seen an example. Okay. Second one is final keyword. Final keyword can be used with a method. I can use final keyword with a method. So whenever I use final keyword with a method, what happens is that method cannot be overridden. Final, public, suppose something void, display, I am writing. Now, if this method is in the base class, it cannot be overridden. You cannot overwrite in the derived class. If I use final keyword with a method, that method cannot be overridden in the derived class. That method cannot be overridden in the derived class. That is the second usage of final keyword. That is the second usage of final keyword. The third one is final keyword can be used with class. Final keyword can be used with class. You can use final keyword with a class. Whenever I use final class A, so such a class cannot be inherited. You cannot inherit such a class. If I write final class A, I write class B extends A. I will get an error because A is a final class. You cannot extend it. This is not possible. Is that right? So that's what the usage of final keyword. So first one is it is used for declaring a constant. Second one is final keyword can be used with methods. Whenever you use final keyword with methods, such methods cannot be overridden. And third one is final keyword can be used with classes. And whenever you use final keyword with classes, that classes cannot be inherited. You cannot inherit. Such classes cannot be inherited. Is that fine? So this is one modifier. Rest of the modifiers we'll see it again. You have any doubts, you can ask at this point. We'll